Hello, this is Liz Calloway again, and this is my Module 6 reflection about our Google assignments. And so for this reflection, we were asked what were our thoughts after going through Units 3 and 4 from the Google Fundamental Training and describe what we learned. And I just really learned that you can put all of your documents all in one place, and it makes it easier for sharing, and it's a way that the classroom can go paperless, which, I mean, that's the way they described it. And I think, I thought it was a really interesting module to go over all of what Google had to offer. And a lot of it I didn't even know about. And it talked about establishing like a Google Classroom. And that's really where you could put all your assignments and everything, and to get students connected and be all in the same place, and I thought it was really interesting. Then we were asked, are the Google Educator certifications something you would consider completing in the future? And do you think having the certification will make you more marketable as a future job applicant? So I think that maybe having the certification could make you more desirable to employers, just because you know how to use things. It kind of shows that you're up to learning new things to try to stay up to date, and it kind of shows that you want to be more connected and you want the best for your classroom. And I think when I become an educator, I would definitely think about getting certified, the certification from Google, because there's a lot to offer there, and I think it really helps knowing everything you can about Google and how to use it and all the other aspects it has on there. Okay, and then next we were asked to describe our experience working with Google Slides, spreadsheet, and or presentation document. What are the advantages and disadvantages to Google Apps as compared to Microsoft Word, Excel, and or PowerPoint? So I really liked the Google. Well, I just mostly kind of look through the Google spreadsheet right now, but I'd like to go more in depth and look through the Google Slide and the presentation document. And I think that when I used the spreadsheet, I thought it gave really great templates, and I thought it was really simple to use, and I think it has its advantages over Word because it's all in one place. It's easy to share with students or parents or whatever. And, I mean, you can take it wherever you go. It's not something that you have to, you can't have if you're on a different computer than where you saved it. Like, if you have a Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint presentation on your computer, you can't bring it up on another computer. But if you save an assignment or the Google Slides, spreadsheet, or whatever, the presentation on your Google, you can bring it up on any device that you're working on, and I think that's really cool. It doesn't even have to be a computer. It can be your phone, it can be your tablet, whatever. And I think that using Google Slide and spreadsheet and then the presentation, super convenient, super easy to use, and it would just be a whole lot easier, I think, to use than Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Thank you for listening to my reflection again, and I'll see you next week, maybe, if you keep joining.